Matcha Warabi Mochi is a delicate jelly-like treat made from warabi starch and infused with matcha green tea. The mochi itself is only lightly sweetened, allowing the natural bitterness and aroma of the matcha to shine through. Full recipes on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are making the topping. In a small bowl, mix matcha, kinako soybean powder, and sugar together and set aside. In a different bowl, add the Warabimochi starch, matcha powder, and sugar, and whisk to mix. Add the water and stir. Transfer the mixture to a pot and cook at high heat, stirring constantly. When the mixture starts getting lumpy, turn down the heat to medium and continue cooking and stirring until it becomes very thick and sticky. Remove from heat and then immediately scoop 1 heaping tablespoon of warabimochi and drop into ice water. Using a small ice cream scoop makes it easy. Repeat until all the mochi is divided and let cool for a few minutes in ice water until chilled. Strain water well and serve on a plate. Sprinkle matcha kinako mixture over warabimochi. The double layers of matcha flavor both in the mochi and the kinako powder sprinkled on top creates a deeper and intense matcha experience. Yet it's very light and refreshing. If you like matcha dessert, you should definitely try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。